Welcome to the video on how you can expand your business internationally with the European Fulfillment Network between the UK and the EU, where you will store your products in the Amazon's fulfillment centres in the UK to fulfill your EU orders and in the EU to fulfill your UK orders. We will ship your eligible offers with the Prime badge to your customers for you without having to store inventory in the destination store, and you will be subject to EFN delivery fees. You generally aren't required to register and file for VAT in the destination store. For business-to-consumer sales that do not exceed €150 or £135, Amazon is responsible for collecting and remitting any VAT on the sale, which the customer will pay at checkout. For sales delivered to consumers above €150 or £135 and all business-to-business sales, the customer is the importer of record and is responsible for any import VAT and duties. Amazon will collect an estimate of these import fees from the customer at checkout to remit these amounts on the customer's behalf. Let's go through the steps to have your account ready for the European Fulfillment Network between the UK and the EU. Step 1. Enable the European Fulfillment Network between the UK and the EU by going to Settings, Fulfillment by Amazon, Cross-Border Fulfillment Settings, Edit, EFN between the UK and the EU. Check or uncheck the options of regions where you want to fulfill cross-border orders and then click Update to store your preferences. Step 2. If you have not done it yet, you will need to list your products on the UK store and on any or all of the following EU stores: France, Germany, Italy and Spain. Remember that the same SKU must be provided for both your UK and EU offers. You can create your offers by uploading them manually, uploading them in bulk, or by using Build International Listings tool. This free tool will help you create and update offers easily from a single source marketplace to one or more target marketplaces. You save time and effort by managing offers in just one marketplace. Step 3. Check the pricing of your offers to account for exchange rates, fulfillment fees and VAT. You can do it in two ways. First is manually in the FBA inventory page of each store. Second is using Build International Listings tool. Use the special pricing rule, same as the source marketplace, adjust for taxes and fees. This rule synchronizes source store prices to destination ones to reflect fulfillment fees, tax rates and exchange rates in addition to any changes you make to the source store price. You can also add custom adjustments to this pricing rule. With this solution, you can have a different adjustment for your Pan-European FBA selection and non-Pan-European FBA selection and take full advantage of having two different pricing rules for one offer. Please remember that you have stock in the Amazon fulfillment centers. If not, just create your shipment and send it to our fulfillment centers. Your shipping program and export settings may be automatically updated to enable cross-border fulfillment. Once your account is enrolled, you will be able to see their status on the ASIN eligibility report. You will find the report by hovering over Inventory tab, selecting Pan-European FBA Inventory. Click on the Reports tab and choose Manage your European Fulfillment Network settings across UK and EU. Select Download to check the eligibility of your offers. This may take some minutes to process, depending on the number of offers you have on your account. Please note that if no file is being generated, check that your browser is not blocking pop-ups from Seller Central. The Enrollment tab of the report will allow you to see the offer status by locale and request additional or removal of offers. Once you have updated your enrollment status, save the file in the same format as when you downloaded it and upload it. Please keep in mind that eligibility restrictions may apply for certain products. This wraps up our video. In case you would like to know more, just type in the search button of your account European Fulfillment Network between the UK and the EU. Thank you and happy selling with the European Fulfillment Network between the UK and the EU.